let me show you how I bedazzle BUXOM's Powerful Plump Lip Balm. Of course, you're going to need your Powerful Plump Lip Balm. This is what it looks like. It's the pink one. I'm using liquid fusion glue and I'm putting it inside a precision tip bottle. I'm going to use a wax pencil to pick up the rhinestones, and we're using 4M size clear rhinestones. You're going to sand your project first. I only sand it lightly because of the design, and then wipe it down with alcohol. The first thing I'm going to do is the top, because why not? We're going to first start off with the foundation line. The foundation line is the first line, and then it's crucial when you're doing the honeycomb pattern, and I am going to do the honeycomb pattern here, or method. If your foundation line isn't straight, it will most likely show towards the end of the honeycomb method. So just keep that in mind. Just try to keep it as straight as possible. You can kind of straighten when you put the rhinestones in between each other. When you do the honeycomb method, you're basically placing one rhinestone in between every 2 rhinestones to make a honeycomb-like pattern. And that's what I'm doing here. I like to focus on the front of the item because it's virtually going to be what's displayed, what people see the most. So I try to make this part as straight as possible and focus on the details and making it look really nice. Here, I'm using filler stones. I think sizes 2M and 3M. And you can see I'm just going in as small as possible without overcrowding the rhinestones. That's important. Don't put something that doesn't fit. As for the top, I'm going to go around in a circular motion until I can't no more. And it didn't take that long. So next, I'm going to do the actual body of the lip balm. I'm going to outline the logo because I feel like that's something you want to see. So I'm using a size 3M rhinestone here just to show a little emphasis on the logo. And I'm just going around it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do the foundation line for the body. This one was a little different because I had to add a little bit more filler rhinestones, which is okay. So I added 2M towards the end there, and then I'm going to continue my honeycomb method. Just a quick note, make sure that you take a break in between doing like the top and the body. I usually give it at least 15 minutes to dry before I move on to the next stage. Or even with the foundation line, once I set the foundation line, I wait maybe 10 minutes and then I'll go back in. So I'm just applying my rhinestones here, and as I'm going along with the honeycomb method, I'm adding the filler stones on the sides of the logo. And I feel like it was easier this way, especially because this is a smaller project. And this is me adding more small rhinestones on the sides there. And then finally, the last part is the bottom part. Once again, I'm focusing on the front. Oh, actually, this is the side. I don't know. I must have been all over the place. But I'm just going to continue my honeycomb method. And once I'm done with that, this is what it turns out. This was like 10 minutes. Let me know what you think in the comments and what I should bedazzle next. And once again, thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bedazzle content.